vegana presence. Hazard. Programmed by John Ferguson Aditi. Learning objectives. After learning this unit, you should be able to 1. Explain the term hazard. 2. Identify and interpret warning and safety signs in the community and laboratory. 3. Identify safety precautions to prevent accidents in the home and school. Meaning of hazard.
What is the meaning of hazard?
A hazard is generally anything that can hurt you, or make you ill. It is something which could be dangerous to one's health, or safety. Hazards are dangerous, because it may result in injury and loss of life, and property. Hazard encountered, in teaching and learning science.
What is the hazard encountered, in teaching and learning science?
Hazards encountered, in the teaching and learning of science are 1. Fire outbreaks. 2. Falling objects. 3. Fumes and dust. 4. Poor lighting system. 5. Toxic or poisonous gases. 6. Explosive substances. 7. Corrosive substances. 8. Broken glassware. 9. Faulty electrical gadgets. 10. Expired chemicals. 11. Volatile chemicals. 12. Inflammable substances. 13. Slippery floors. 5. Outbreaks.
What are the possible causes of fire outbreak?
Fire outbreaks may be caused by faulty electrical appliances, wrong electrical connections, uncontrolled burning in the laboratory, etc. Falling objects.
How do falling objects cause accident?
Solid objects such as stones and metals which are not properly placed, may fall off and cause accidents. Fumes and dust.
How are fumes and dust hazardous?
Chemical fumes and dust generated from experiments may cause respiratory and eye irritations. Poor lighting system.
How is poor lighting system hazardous?
Insufficient light in the laboratory or classroom may cause accidents due to poor vision. Toxic or poisonous gases.
How do toxic or poisonous gases become hazardous?
The use of toxic or poisonous gases without a nose mask for protection is dangerous to the health of students and teachers. Explosions.
How are explosions hazardous?
Explosions resulting from chemical reactions in volatile chemicals could cause fire outbreak if safety precautions are not taken. Corrosive substances.
How hazardous are corrosive substances?
Substances such as strong acid or base may cause severe skin burns when they come into contact with the bare skin. Warning and safety signs in the community and laboratory. 1. Mandatory signs.
What are mandatory signs?
They inform us to take certain actions, to prevent or reduce accidents. They are indicated by blue and white colors. The signs mean, you must do or carry out, the action given by the sign. Let us look at some few protective clothings, shown below. Breathing masks must be worn. Eye protection must be worn. Head protection must be worn. Safety boots must be worn. Hand protection must be worn. Ear protection must be worn. Protective clothing must be worn. Hearing and eye protection must be worn. Full face respirator must be worn. 2. Prohibition signs.
What are the purposes of prohibition signs?
They are used to prohibit behavior likely to cause accident. They mean, you must not, do not, or stop. They are indicated by red and black colors. These are some few signs. Not drinking water. Naked flames prohibited. No smoking. No pedestrians. Switch off mobile phones. No children allowed. Do not run. No cycling. No camera. No unauthorized access. Do not enter. No eating, drinking or smoking. No dogs. No swimming. No radios. 3. Safe condition signs.
What do safe conditions sign mean?
They mean, the safe way, or where to go, in an emergency. They give information on the right action to take. They are indicated by green and white colors. These are the symbols. First aid. Eye wash. Emergency cut off. Escape route left. Way out straight. Escape route right. Emergency stop. Emergency call point. First aid call point. 4. Warning signs.
What do warning signs mean?
They mean caution, risk of danger, or hazard ahead. They give warning of hazard or danger. They are indicated by yellow and black colors. Radioactive. Example. X-ray radiation room in hospitals. Biohazard. Example. Anthrax sports. Toxic. Example: mercury, potassium cyanide, iodine. Chlorine gas, crude oil, highly flammable. Example: petrol, LPG, ethanol, gasoline. Risk of electric shock. Dangerous voltage. Oxidizing. Example: hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate. Explosive. Example: sodium metal in water, adding water to acid. Beware of dog. Danger. Example: near a pit. Corrosive. Example: concentrated sodium hydroxide, concentrated sulfuric acid. Non-ionizing radiation. Example: wireless network connection in computers. Slippery. Laser radiation. Example: hospitals and atomic centers. Barbed wire. 4. Safety devices. 1. Fire alarm. 2. Road signs. 3. Fire extinguishers. 4. Sand bucket. 5. Fire blankets.